just so bright and bold. Little capsules of joy, a story unfold. Pop them open, what you gonna find? A cute little toy, gonna blow your mind. From Tokyo to Osaka, got just a plenty. Capsule collectors, join the frenzy. Plastic wonders, so small and neat. Each one unique, a collector's feat. Capsule collector, spinning round, round, round. Round my bag of tokens, gonna hit the ground, ground, ground. Give me all those gachas, gotta catch 'em all. In this colorful world of toys, I stand tall, 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 tall. Walking through the streets, feeling happy and cheery. Colors all around, everything's so bright. I'm collecting treasures, little toys in my hand. Every Gacha capsule, like a dreamland. Gacha love, spinning round and round. Give me something cute, let the choice around. Gacha love, surprises never end. In this world of magic, my heart will ascend. With each new twist and anticipation grows. What lies inside, nobody knows. From plushy pandas to ninja stars bright. Each Gacha toy brings a smile to light. Oh yeah. Gacha love, spinning round and round. Give me something cute, let the choice around. Gacha love, surprises never end. In this world of magic, my heart will ascend. In crowded arcades, we stand in line for chance at happiness, oh so fine. With coins in hand and hearts so light, Gacha love fills the night. And capsule after capsule, dreams unfold. From Tokyo's lights to streets paved gold. Every pull, a chance to find a little piece of joy, one of a kind. Sun to winter chill, every Gacha find gives us a thrill. Gacha love, spin round and round. Give me something cute, let the choice around. Gacha love, surprises never end. In this world of magic, my heart will ascend. So let's keep spinning day and night. In the Gacha world, our spirits take flight. In these treasures, our love extends. In the Gacha world, where happiness transcends. Let's keep spinning day and night. In the Gacha world, our spirits take flight. For in these treasures, our love extends. In the Gacha world, where happiness transcends. When I wake up in the morning, you know I gotta play. Open up my phone, see what got chased away. I'm spinning the wheel, hoping for something rare. Collecting all the toys, gotta catch 'em all, I swear. Gacha fever, it's taking over me. Every spin is like a dream, can't you see? Gacha fever, it's a capsule toy delight. Unlocking treasures, bringing joy day and night. palm of my hand. Gacha fever's got me hooked, I just can't understand. In the afternoon sun, I hit the streets. With my gacha treasures, my excitement beats. Trading with friends, sharing the thrill. In this gacha world our hearts fulfill. Through the bustling city I journey on. Every gacha capsule a treasure spawn. From the arcade halls to the corner stores, gacha fevers grip, my spirit soars. Lost in the world of each spinning reel. Every spin is like a dream, can't you see? Gacha fever, it's a capsule toy delight. Unlocking treasures, bringing joy day and night. Day fades into the night, still consumed by this gacha light. In the glow of my screen I continue to play. In this gacha wonderland where dreams hold sway. From virtual worlds to realities hold sway. From virtual worlds to reality's grasp ray. From virtual worlds to reality's grasp. Gacha fever spell an eternal class. In every capsule a piece of my heart. In this gacha journey I'll never depart. In the quiet hours of the night I ponder on this gacha delight. With every pull a new story unfolds. In this gacha universe where magic beholds. With the dawn's first light, I start anew. In this gacha adventure's always more to pursue. From rare collectibles to common finds, gacha fever's allure forever binds. In the midst of life's hustle and bustle, gacha fever's joy I'll never muscle. Of stress I find my escape. In this gacha world where dreams reshape. Lost in the world of the spinning wheel. Every gacha pull a joy I feel. With every click a new prize to chase. This gacha frenzy, my passion will race. Gacha fever is taking over me. Every spin is like a dream, you see. Gacha fever, it's a capsule toy delight. Unlocking treasures, bringing joy day and night. So let the gacha reels continue to spin in this endless game where I always win. Gacha fever, my eternal friend. In this gacha journey